Hey ding dongs! Why this is gonna be what's in my home birth kit supply checklist bag basket unboxing. Let's see what's in the first package. This basket, basically it has all the stuff that you need
for the birth part. Oh, and I
also have my pregnancy snacks. Doesn't this look tasty? We have grapes, green olives, and carrots.
Alright, so first things first. We have a box of maternity pads. Okay, a peri bottle. Yay. I guess for squirting when you pee. Ooh, look how cute these are. Mesh underwear. And then, see what's in this one. Oh, this is all the medical supplies. Look at this, an ear and ulcer syringe. It's sterile. Another peri bottle. So you get two of those. Oh, we have a surgical scrub brush for, I don't know, cleaning things, something. Everything's sterile, most of it is. We have a whole bunch of packets of lubricating jelly. Whoops. I don't know if that's for the stomach or for something else when they do those checks. I don't know. Yeah. Lots of, yeah. And then, oh yeah, the exam gloves. Sterile single paired gloves, you know, because we don't want anyone's nasty fingers inside of you. Oh, look at this. A cord clamp. Fun. For the little belly button. Oh, look at these tiny little hats. They're so cute. They smell weird. Should we not wash these? Whatever, 2 cotton caps. An infectious waste bag. This is for the placenta. You get gauze sponges. Flexible straws for drinking, I guess, when I'm in labor. I think this is stupid. I'm not using these. I don't want to. I'm gonna buy my own. I'm gonna get like an actual cool straw, like a glass or a steel one. Oh, and then we have more packs of gloves. So fun. That's good. And then in here we just have 12 of the blue underpads. Oh, what are these? Oh, I think this is the same thing. Okay, so yeah, these are pretty long. I'll just open one up so we can see. And I think this is for like soaking your butt. I don't know. No, I think it's for like laying down and giving birth on. But I'm planning on doing a water birth, but I do know that they'll use these for the bed too. So they would lay a whole bunch of these down under you wherever you're giving birth. And so that's everything that's in my $50 birth kit that was required by my midwife. I'm wondering if it would be cheaper to buy all this stuff separately, but I don't know. I don't think it would, and this is probably easier. So yeah, that's everything. Comes in this cute little basket. Okay, so you get 16 of the blue pads, 4 pairs of gloves, 6 single gloves, 6 gauzes, infectious waste bag, 2 cotton caps, sterile clamp, sterile bulb syringe, 6 packs of lubricating jelly, 1 sterile scrub brush, 2 straws, 2 peri bottles, 1 mesh brief, and 1 package of sanitary pads. And then there's also another home birth supply checklist that's required. You need 2 sets of sheets, 2 large garbage bags, 2 gallon Ziploc bags, 4 to 6 washcloths. Everybody knows what washcloths are. Then you need a whole bunch of bath towels, a package of Depend sizing blankets, a bottle of peroxide, olive oil, plastic covering for your bed, you need a medium-sized bowl for the placenta, and then a crock pot to warm the cloths for perineal compresses. And then snacks and drinks.
I've always been curious to see like what you need for a home birth and like all this stuff and how much it costs. Now granted, if you're doing it in a hospital, all of this would be free. It would be in your hospital bill. But yeah, pretty much that's all you need.
All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, ding dongs. No, I don't like that.
Washcloths, bath towels. What are you doing? You're so annoying. Get the
Fuck out of here and go to sleep. Why are you here?
Oh, away!
I'm not doing this anymore.
So it's really embarrassing when when people don't know that you're filming and then they walk in.